Hello, welcome back to Took's CraftTable. It's been a while since my last video. I haven't been that well, so I've been running down with no energy and a lot of stress. But I got over it now, and I get the chance to finish 2 lab books and 2 big journals that I have been starting quite a while ago, but I just haven't had a chance to finish it. So today I am going to do a quick flip through and talk about my future with my future channel and journal making for to do with these FTC and COPPA law. So but anyway, let's see some beautiful things first, and then we'll talk about serious stuff in a bit. Let's start with the big journal. Again, it's big and fluffy. Giant one. Look at that, how big that is. 2.5 inch spine, 9 inch long and 6 inch wide, and I made a tassel with some nice ribbon, lace and yarn, and this time I got a handmade pottery beads. What do you call the clay beads? Really nice. So it's in here, and so the tassel is attached to the lobster claw, so you can have 2 choice of hooking direct to the spine with this I don't know what you call this attachment, or you can use the bulldog clip, and the bulldog clip is the also antique brass color, so you can do both. Let's see what's inside. This one, this is hand cross stitch, but not by me. It's a vintage tablecloth that I found, and I use it. So the theme of this book is gnomes. So because when I see the fabric cover, the upholstery, I just like it, just give me that feeling. So, and the closure is miniature doorknob, closure with sari silk, like 6 strands of that. And then look at how chunky she is. She's 6 signatures and about 280 pages altogether. So oops, sorry, that was my printer. So inside there's a book plate, ex libris. I don't know, is that how you pronounce it? So I got these digi kit from Caroline Craft Tree. They're really cute, and I backed them up with my coffee dice paper, and then I have these linen handkerchief as a pocket, and these images are from Mrs. Cox's Craft. I think it's a tiny garden friend set. I think that's what it is. And I back it on to the collage page. I show the collage sheet on my Instagram, and I really like how it turned out. It's so neutral tone, and that's what I want to do. I want to aim for my style journal, and that's the what do you call, the definition for gnomes, and the book of luck card. When when you talk about gnome, you think about treasures. So I think that somebody at a dwarf that guard your treasure. So isn't that cute? That's from Miss Caroline Craft Tree as well. And my big tag back with my eco dye printing paper. That's the collage sheet, and again it has, every signature has Edith Holden page. So, and this is dragonfly and the mother of pearl button, fabric ruffle just to give us a texture, and some pocket. And this is from Mrs. Cox Craft. Isn't that cute? A tiny garden friend, I think that's it called. Some collage for you to journaling. And what like want me to do, because I went to thrift store and I saw a notebook that has the gnome gnome notebook. So, and I thought, oh, I have enough stuff to make gnome, and then I found the fabric. I'm like, perfect. And this is vintage music page, and my regular. And then this is a rice paper for Chinese calligraphy. Yes. And this is tea dye, coffee dye paper, and then you have coloring page, and that's like really dark tea dye, rice paper, and here's the envelope flip out with collage, and I tried to make it bling bling. I used what do you call the Stella Winkle something. I can't remember. And then this is the game card, and this is from a book called Saturday Night Scrapbook. I thought it was funny, and it's kind of old, so I cut it out and back it with the end paper from the book, and has somebody's handwriting on it. So, and the flip out, and then I have a sparkly on a mushroom, and cheesecloth. I just feel the texture. And then I have add the botanical book page from this book. It's really nice. And here's some journaling card. Here's the Edith Holden page and the big tag, and my collage sheet. I tear it into paper, and this digital paper also from Caroline's Craft Tree. Isn't that cute? Those gnomes, they are so cute. Why is gnomes always men? I haven't seen cartoon gnomes women. Is there a thing? And these pockets are from Mrs. Cox Craft. Yeah, that's from Caroline as well. So I say I'll do it quick, right? So all this copper thing just like made me so stressed out. I have went into my account and I deleted the giveaway video because I think it's not necessary to have it around because it's one-time event. So once it's done, I don't think it's matter that much, but I still haven't decided what to do with other. But my plan to do is I want to set all my previous video to private, and I'm not gonna do any video after this video until I know the situation better and if no risk. But during that time I will be more active on my Facebook page. It's took CraftTable, So please come and add me as a friend. So you see what's the update. I will post more processing of my work there, and we can keep in touch and communicate that way. Also, my Instagram as well. So I update on Instagram more than YouTube because it's so easy. So I just update photo and all that. But for future tutorial, I am thinking of doing on Facebook. If I have enough Facebook friend, I will consider doing a live event, like doing a tutorial on Facebook Live, and maybe set a time, and then we can all, and then I can post, say what do you need for this session, and then we can all do together, and then if you have question you can ask and I can answer right away or something like that. Also over there I can share some files with you that I create. It's that way I can share my work more, let's say, because overall with the YouTube things, it doesn't affect me much because I'm a small channel and I am not earning income on the AdSense, and so I don't think that being said, I need to be very careful with the law. I respect the law and agree with 100%. But the thing is, I just think that parents should should be more responsible to their own child behavior or risk, and YouTube should be more helpful in creating a better tools for us to able to share and create and within our community. So it's nothing to do with COPPA or TFC. I agree with them what they have to do, but the people who create a platform should be more responsible. That's all my opinion. But until everything solve or not solve, let's connect on Facebook. I will leave the link down below to my Instagram, my Facebook, and I also have a Line account. I don't know if you know the application. It's communication. It's very safe and in Asia it's very popular for people to do business through Line, and because all the data cannot, it's safe. Let's say in Asia the banking and everything they do through Line's application. So if you know about Line and if you have Line account, please add me. My ID will be in the description box as well. So okay, sorry for being rambling. Again, this little card from Mrs. Cox Craft, and she intended to have it as a journaling card or pocket, but I just sewn the edge and stamp postcard and make it into journaling card. And this inspiration from Mushroom Market. I saw her using her little piece of book page, and so I did that and I fell in love with it, so I use it through all this book and the other book as well, because I just love it. It feels so natural and I use up all my book page. Here's another journaling card from Caroline's Craft Tree, but the pockets are from Mrs. Cox Craft. And I still have a few pages from this book, and it's beautiful botanical book. So, and then here's a fabric flipping. So the idea, I guess you just use clip the lace and fabric to use for your decoration, but I don't know if you want to do more decoration. It's so thick already. So you see, some I left opening to make tuck spot, but some I didn't. Depend on the paper behind how strong it is. And this one I made it into belly band, and all this little cutout from from Caroline's craft tree as well. So, and like this one, I just made a flip, and here, and just extra journaling paper, and the paper from Antique Papery. Oh, the cover, the signature covers are from Medieval Mirage. And here's the tuck spot. Journaling card. This from Mrs. Cox's Craft, Tiny Garden Friend. And my tall tag from inspiration from Wendy Journal Adventures. Excuse me. Oh, I still have a flu. So, here's a tuck spot and some collage and some envelope that I eco dye. And this is mulberry paper from Thailand, and more journaling card from Caroline Craft Tree. And just a coin envelope, and I just add some tickets in there. Am I in flame? Sorry. Okay. And here's the open up the Yvonne pocket. Tag and collage pocket. Oh no, I pinned them together. Silly me. How many layers did I pin them together? And here's some not glassine bag, but it's just a white gift bag. And here's more of the collage sheet that I shown on Instagram. Here's another of the tall tag and journaling card. Look at this tuck spot. It's so cute. I'm gonna say cute, 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 and then I can't. I have to list this video on the kids for kids, I think. And then so if you want to comment, please go to my Facebook, okay, and add me as your friend, and then we can chat about these. Because if I say this video is for kids, you can't comment on it, okay? I hope you see my video. Last week, another thing that made me feel really down is with Etsy. So somehow they surprised me with some extra fee and charge, whatever, and I'm just like so upset and disappointed. And that's another thing I'm thinking about, is leaving Etsy. So maybe I can sell my journal on my Facebook as well. So and that way I can offer a cheaper price on my, because I don't have to pay them fee. They do nothing and then they want to charge more and more. I look at my stat and all of traffic come from YouTube or Facebook, which has like 1% come from Etsy. So they did nothing for my store and they want to charge me more. It just upset me. Really upset me. But what can you do, right? Sometimes. Did I pin them again? I did. I did. Oh my. I must did it with an anchor or something. Usually I have hard time to pin even one layer. I must have thinking of Etsy when I did that. Oh no. Okay. Small damage, sorry. Here's that botanical page and some tuck spot with journaling card. Really nice coloring page in this one. Here's the other botanical book page, and that's oh, and they're so cute. I watched Gail's video yesterday and she made me cry. I cry with her. She's so sincere, right? She's so real. And that's it. The gnome. How big? That is so big. I'm gonna need a big box to ship these to go anywhere. Okay, and that's gnome. Let me put it there. And the second, and the second big journal is birds. I have a theme of birds, and it's the same size, 2.5, 9 by 6. And this one has tassel that all what do you call the clay pottery, ceramic clay, all the, and then mother of pearls. So, and that's can be removable. And again, hand cross stitch, and this can be changed as well. You just push it up if you don't want a story, or you want to use different title of the book. The closure is Surrey silk with the door handle, miniature door handle, and a key to the garden. Start with these, and the digikit I used to make for the cover of the signature are from the Ephemera Vintage Garden, Debbie Ann by Debbie Ann. And here's my collage sheet. And here the pocket, using the same material as a linen handkerchief. And let's start with the tiny tag and some drawing card, and this tag spot, and have birds embellishment throughout. And has some book page, book page from Edith Holden. And I got this big book of birds, North America bird, I think that's called, and it's beautiful, so I added to this journaling card. That's the embellishment. This Alopa online, and I used the flower punch, and the wing of Stella for shiny, and then some stencil. Some can be tack spot and some did not, because of the it's very fragile, that's why I didn't make it. It took tack spot. And small stencil, and this is the, and so I'm gonna make it really fast. Okay, this is a flip, and have some feather and big tag, and from the graphic fairy image from the graphic fairy baby bird. Edith Holden. Collage. And rice paper. And this one I just punch out some flower and then use glossy accent. Here's the coloring page. Here's the collage sheet that I made. The tiny tag with the collage sheet that I made, and this little thing from Vintage Ephemera Garden. lots of stuff here. Tall tag. I need to glue this down. See, I don't like the purple glue that I got, the stick. I'm still searching for the best glue stick. I love this collage so much. It's a discovery. And these images are from the graphic fairy. Bird. This is fabric flipping. So I have some lace, some cotton, eyelet. Oh no. Oh yeah, it's sticking out from this page. Spot and collage for, so you can journal on it. So I won't be linking anyone's video or store on this one because I don't know how that goes. So let's come and, you know, chat on Facebook. Collage. Collage pocket. That's the bird book's front page, I think. Oh, this is really cute. I got a book from Library of Congress, and one of the end paper have hand drawn, I think drawn by kid. It's really cute. It's a poppy flowers. That's so cute. It's another one that I cut out with my paper punch and use glossy accent on it. Yeah, this is from the graphic fairy. So this is it, the bird book for me, and from now, I think till New Year, I will be having a new journal coming out soon because I need to get myself healthy for my operation next week and then try to recover from that, and then Christmas, right? So I have to get the house ready for the kid and for the fam. So, okay, next set is the lab book. I made this quite a while ago, but I just haven't been feeling well to make a flip through video. So, but this one, Mementos, and it's the same size. Hold on, it is 4 3/4 and 7 and 2.5-inch spine, and the closure is like this. So it is strong, but it's not like something need to tuck, so don't try to add so much in here, because like I think it's a nice size for lap book. So when you open, you just push this up like that. So that's how you open it. So inside it will have fringe card and the book of luck with all the collage and stamping that I do, and it's journal card, and this is the flip open and piano paper. Let's look at the first side, right? This is the first one you open, and you will have first pocket. It's a clear pocket with the tag. This tag that I made using images from public domain, birds images, and open up. I don't know, can you see that far? So you get journaling card, and this set from Medieval Mirage, really cute. And here's the envelope pocket, and has a journaling card back with the handmade paper, and inside just a journaling card, just old looking postcard. These are from Ilopa Online. That's the first flip, and the second flip, this one is the first pocket, is also the bird card, and have some butterfly charms. Open this way. It's collage throughout with tags and journaling card throughout, so you have plenty of space to write on. Okay, this is garment tag. And that's flipped out this way, and call tag, French card from the old design shop, more tag, and also this is the window pocket with the giant tag, botanical giant tag. Okay, and then let's flip out this way. It is the small folder, ephemera folder, so I add some fussy cut in here. This is some cancel stamp from some places, and then this one from Thailand, some flower and mushroom. Okay, and that's this side, and in the middle is a journal that you can remove from here. So this is the journal closure. Journal, I just use scrap or misprint, so it's not like fancy journal or anything, but it's just scrap paper that you can use. So, but this can be removed. So if you make a new journal, this closure can use for new journal. And this one said, "Live the life you have imagined." So the cover has pocket and some tags. Oops, hope I didn't glue them down. I did, but so just basically just simple paper, but I have scrap paper around. That's the so, and then it just tie with the string. Okay, it's just a loose string that you can tie together. And this side, so you what first flip, more journaling card and tags and garment tag and journaling card in this pocket, more journaling card on this pocket, and when you flip out you have this envelope with the journaling card. This set is from Medieval Mirage, same as this one. The journaling card inside, and you have this clear pocket with giant tag. Okay, then on this side you have a charm with the key and some it's like a pocket, what do you call, gusseted pocket here, so you get some extra journaling card that will be for your receipt or anything. I use magnet, and just because of the paper so thick and it loses the strength, so but it's still grab, but it's not like click, you know, like really strong click. That's what I was hoping for, but it didn't happen. So this one will be mementos. Okay, that will be on my Etsy shop, unless if you want to contact me, you know, to buy direct through me, that's fine too. I accept PayPal, but I will list it on on Etsy. But if you like interested in, contact me, and then I will take it off the listing. You know, I just don't think I should be giving them money. Here's the did I got stories? So the story cover is also so the cross stitch, hand cross stitch. So, and the fabric, I bought this fabric to cover my dining chair, but I didn't buy enough, so I didn't use it to cover the chair, and I just left it. And now I'm like, wow, is this perfect for this book? So it's really nice. So it's the same layout. So let's see the first flip. Same tags and things. And in here, I thought I have something in here, but I guess I didn't. But there's a pocket here, and this might be hard to get it out, but it could be your secret pocket. And there's some guest chat in here, and that's the first flip. And to this one, also pocket with journaling card, and same here. And this is pocket. And oh, this one I have like what do you call the scrap here, and fringe card and journaling card. Okay, on this side, same thing, vellum paper pocket with some die cut that I put in, international stamp, Thai stamp, cancel stamp. Okay, that's it on this side. Same thing with the journal cover, so I'm not going to take that out. So it's exactly the same construction. In this pocket you have tags that go in, and journaling card back with handmade paper. Okay, lots of pockets and tuck spot in this, so I hope, like, you know, you like it. The tall tag. And this one have fabric flipping that I made, and the other one didn't have. So, and And here's the pocket, I mean the gusseted pocket. This one, because I didn't put a lot of paper over it, I just put a thin paper over it, so it doesn't look that good, but I'm sure it doesn't bother you there. So, and you can add like stuff inside. It comes with a lot of small pieces that you can create your own. Okay, that's, and that this one, this closure is with the hummingbird class. You call class, right? You just have to be the right angle to make it easy to go in and out there. Sorry. Sometimes I get it right away and sometimes I didn't. That is the story. And this is the mementos with all the hardware around on the side. I don't know if I show you the side. Okay, that is it for today, and please come and join me on my Facebook group. I mean, not group, just my Facebook page, so that we can connect that way and keep in touch that way. Okay, everybody, stay safe and take good care. Be healthy and be happy. Okay, bye.